Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to our Modern Maths Naira Sir YouTube channel. So please like, subscribe, and click bell button, and also share with your friends. So now in this class we are going to learn 10-minute first year Maths 1A, fifth chapter Toyota Vectors, part 4. So 4 marks questions we are discussing. So already in the previous part 9 questions are completed. Okay. So 10th onwards we are discussing here. That is, show that the points 5 minus 1 1, 7 minus 4 7, 1 minus 6 10, and minus 1 minus 3 4 are vertices of a rhombus. Okay, in additionally by vector method also they can mention. Okay, this is product of vectors. So in geometry simply how can we find AB distance, BC distance, CD distance, DA distance, and show that those are equal and the diagonals are not equal. So here also same process, but how can we take? We should take a position of vector of each and every point. So first let one vertex A is 5 minus 1 1, and B 7 minus 4 7, and C 1 minus 6 10, and D minus 1 minus 3 4. Okay, we should write a position vector of each and every point. Position vector of A is OA is equal to what? We know. How can we write? Phi I minus j plus k. Similarly, position vector of B is OB is equal 7i minus 4j plus 7k. Now tell me position vector of C. So this is V is equal OC is equal 1i minus 6j plus 10k. Next, position vector of D, OD, that is minus 1i minus 3j minus plus 4k. So all position vectors are written. We should find to show that the points are the vertices of a rhombus. We should find the distance AB and distance BC, next distance CD, and all should be equal and the diagonals not equal. That we should prove. So first of all, what is AB? AB means what? In vectors, OB minus OA. In geometry, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay. So in product of vectors method, first OB. What is OB? 7i. Okay. I'm continuously doing. OB means what? 7i minus 4j plus 7k. Next minus OA. OA means what? 5i minus j plus k. Okay. So which is equal 7i minus 5i becomes 2i. Next minus 4j minus into minus j means plus j. So minus 4j plus j becomes minus 3j. Minus 3j. Next 7k minus into k. 7k minus k is plus 6k. So immediately what is the magnitude of AB, length of AB? So that is called magnitude of 2i minus 3j plus 6k modulus is equal root of I coefficient 2 square, j coefficient minus 3 square, k coefficient 6 square, which is equal 2 square means 4, minus 3 whole square means 9, 6 square means 36. So which is equal to how much? Root 49, which is equal to 7. So finally AB length we got it 7. Next similarly this is the first one. Next find the second side BC. AB completed. Next BC. BC means what? OC minus OB. Okay. What is OC? OC means what here? I minus 6j plus 10k minus OB. What is OB? 7i minus 4j plus 7k. So which is equal? This is 1i minus 7i. So becomes minus 6i. Next minus 6j minus into minus plus 4j. Minus 6j plus 4j becomes minus 2j. Minus 2j. Next k terms here 10k minus 7k becomes plus 3k. So we got it BC. Immediately, what is length of BC means modulus BC is equal to modulus minus 6i minus 2j plus 3k. So which is equal to root of minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 whole square plus 3 whole square. So which is equal minus 6 whole square means 36, 2 whole square means 4, 3 whole square means 9, which is called root 49 is equal to 7. Okay, we got it. Second side BC also 7. Next, similarly find CD. Okay, third one. CD means what? OD minus OC. What is OD? Minus I minus 3j plus 4k minus OC. OC means I minus 6j plus 10k is equal. Now minus I becomes minus 2i. Next j terms here minus 3j minus into minus it becomes plus 6j. Plus 6j minus 3j is plus 3j. Next k terms here 4k minus 10k. So minus 10k plus 4k is minus 6k. So this is CD. So immediately find magnitude of CD means length of CD means modulus CD means modulus minus 2i plus 3j minus 6k is equal square root of, tell me. Yes, very good. Minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus minus 6 whole square. So which is equal to root of minus 2 whole square means 4, 3 square means 9, minus 6 whole square means 36. This is equal to what? Root 49 is equal to 7. Of course, this side also we got it 7. Next find DA. Okay. So fourth side DA. So DA means what? OA minus OD. Or you can find AD also, no problem. What is OA? OA is phi I minus j plus k minus OD. OD means what? Minus I minus 3j plus 4k. So is equal, see, this is phi I minus into minus I becomes plus I. Phi I plus 1i becomes 6i. Next j terms minus into minus 3j plus 3j minus j becomes plus 2j. Next k terms here 1k, here minus into plus minus 4k, minus 4k plus k becomes minus 3k. So this is dA. Next to find the length of dA, take modulus dA, that is modulus 6i plus 2j minus 3k. So which is equal root of 6 square plus 2 square plus minus 3 whole square, which is equal root 49 is equal to 7. Got it? All sides are equal, am I right? So all sides are equal. In a square, all sides are equal. In rhombus also, all sides are equal. Then how can we say it is a square or rhombus? Yes, very good. We should find the diagonals also. After finding diagonals, if diagonals also equal, that is a square. If diagonals are not equal, sides are equal, then that is a rhombus. Okay, up to here clear? So note down one by one and next DA. Okay, I am removing this. Then after I will find the diagonal AC and BD. Can I rub this? Note down as easily up to here. Then after, next I am going to do. Next, after finding four sides, I am going to find a diagonal. So first diagonal is AC. So AC means what? OC minus OA. OC minus OA means what is OC? I minus 6j plus 10k minus OA. OA means phi I minus j plus k. So which is equal I minus phi I becomes minus 4i. Next minus 6j minus into minus j plus j. Minus 6j plus j becomes minus 5j. Next k terms here 10k minus k becomes 9k. So this is what diagonal AC. Immediately what is the length of diagonal AC? That is modulus minus 4i minus 5j plus 9k is equal root of I coefficient. minus 4 whole square, j coefficient minus 5 whole square, k coefficient 9 square, which is equal to root of minus 4 square means becomes 16, 5 square means becomes 25, 9 square means becomes 81. So which is equal, how much it is? 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 1, 12. Something 122 we got. Next to find the other diagonal BD. BD means what? OD minus OB. What is OD? Yes, minus I minus 3j plus 4k minus OB. OB means what? 7i minus 4j plus 7k. So is equal minus I minus 7i becomes minus 8i minus 3j minus into minus plus 4j becomes plus j. Okay, if you are if you are getting any trouble, if you feel it difficult, or if you feel it is a direct step, you write one more step. Okay, minus 7a minus into minus plus 4j minus into plus minus 7k. Okay, here I am writing one more direct step because of in the previous in previous problems we simplified step by step. That's why I think you understand this step also. 4k minus 7k becomes minus 3k. So whatever this is BD. So immediately modulus BD equal to, so modulus minus 8i plus j minus 3k, which is equal to root of, what is I coefficient? Minus 8 whole square, j coefficient 1 square, and k coefficient minus 3 whole square, which is called root of minus 8 whole square means 64 plus 1 plus 9. So which is called root 74. Are both same? No. So therefore sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, the lengths of the sides. So in vectors we have to take modulus, and diagonals AC is not equal to diagonal length BD. So therefore what we can say? Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. This is the answer of this 10th question. Is it clear? Next 11th question. Okay, now one more small questions, but this is also important. So what is given? A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So first and mod A equal to 3, mod B equal to 5, mod C is equal to 7. Then find the angle between A and B. Okay, so we should find the angle using given information. What are the given? Given that first I am writing mod A, length of A is 3, mod B 5, mod C is 7. And one more given that A plus B plus C equal to 0. Here is asking the angle between A and B. Angle between A and B. So A and B keep aside and plus is send right side. If you want to angle between A and C, suppose, then keep A and C left side, send B right side, like that. So here we need to find the angle between A and B. So keep angle A and B one side. Now immediately do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So A plus B whole square equal minus C whole square. In the vectors, expansion of A plus B whole square is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 A dot B. So be careful. Generally, the expansion of A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. But in vectors, okay, A is a vector, B is a vector. So we can write mod A square, mod B square in plus 2 A dot B, not mod A mod B, 2 A dot B is equal to mod minus C whole square means mod C whole square. Okay. And moreover, in the vectors, A bar dot A bar is equal to what? Not A square. A bar dot A bar equal to mod A square. That's why we have written like this. Okay. Actually, we should write A square. A square means what? A into A. In this product of vectors, applying dot product only we should apply. A dot A. So A dot A becomes what? Mod A square. Similarly, B square, B dot B means mod B square. And 2 A into B means simply A dot B. And is equal to C square means C into C means mod C square. So now what is mod A? Mod A value is 3. So we get 3 square. And mod B what? 5 square. And plus what is 2? A dot B means what? See, we have a formula. If angle theta is between A and B, then cos theta equal to what? A bar dot B bar by mod A into mod B. Am I right? What is theta? Here theta is angle between A and B. Then cos theta formula is A dot B by mod A mod B. From this, by nothing means 1. Do cross multiplication 1 into A dot B. So A dot B is equal mod A mod B into cos theta. Am I right? So using that formula, we can write instead of A dot B means what we can write? Mod A mod B cos theta, and is called mod C square as it is. Mod C square as it is. Okay. Here mod C means what? What is the value of mod C? 7. We have here 7. So 7 square. Next 3 square means 9. 5 square means 45 plus 2 into mod A means what? 3. Mod B means what? 5. And cos theta is equal to 7 square means 49. We should find this cos theta value. After that, find angle theta. So we assume let theta is angle between A and B. What is theta? We assume that angle between A and B. That's why cos theta formula is like this. Now 2 3 6 5 30 cos theta. This becomes is equal to 49 as it is. Now 9 plus 45 how much? 9 plus, sorry, this is 25. Very good. 9 plus 25 how much? 34. Center right side becomes minus 34. So 30 into cos theta equal 49 minus 34 how much? 15. Okay. So now cos theta is equal 15 by 30. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. When the angle is 1 by 2, when cos value is 1 by 2, at theta is 60 degrees. So what is the answer? 60 degrees. Or we can express in radians, pi by 3 radians is the answer. Is it clear? Let's go to next problem, 12th problem. If A comma B vectors satisfying mod A equal mod B equal to 5 and angle between A and B is 45 degrees. Okay, now we should read as angle between A and B. So now this is not a thing like a order pair of AB, not a open interval AB. In vectors we should read as angle between A and B is 45 degrees. Then find the area of triangle having A minus 2B and 3A plus 2B as two of its sides. Okay, two sides are given, asking to find the area of triangle. Actually, what is the area of triangle? In generally we know half into base into 8. But in vectors, half into cross product of given two vectors. Means half into modulus of AB cross AC, or half into modulus of some A cross B cross A cross B. So here one vector is A minus 2B, second vector is 3A plus 2B. So therefore, first of all write down, given that, what are the given information? Mod A equal to mod B equal to 5, both are same, and the angle between A comma B is 45 degrees. Okay, that is a given information. Next, immediately we can write area of triangle is equal half into, what are the vectors here? A minus 2B cross 3A plus 2B. Okay, now let this is a side AB and this is side BC, for example. Okay. So let sides, what are the given? So given that sides are given, am I right? A minus 2B, 3A plus 2B are two sides. So one of the side is AB I am taking, that is A minus 2B, and other side you can take BC or CB or AC, no problem. So BC I am taking 3A plus 2B. Okay, given that are two sides. So then what is the area of triangle formula? Half into modulus AB cross BC. So here half into modulus AB means what? A minus 2B cross BC means what? 3A plus 2B. Okay, these are some interesting problems but easy problems. We just know simple applications. Okay, now The first part introduction I told you how to do cross product of two given vectors. Actually we have two methods. One is direct cross multiplication, a cross 3a, a cross 2b, and minus 2b cross 3a, minus 2b cross 2b. That is the original method. But always always we use determinant property. Am I right? I, j, k, a elements and vector b coefficients. But here we have only two elements in this vector. Here also only two vectors in this vector, a and b only. So we can't apply a, b. For only three dimension we can apply I, j, k or a, b, c and first vector elements, second vector elements. But here do line directly a cross 3a. So means 3 into a cross a. Why I have written 3 outside? It is a constant. Next, a cross 2b means plus 2 into a cross b. Here also 2 is constant. Next, minus 2b cross 3a. In scalars means 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are scalars. Vectors means a, b, c, I, j, k. Those are vectors. In scalar product, directly we can do like minus 2 into 3, minus 6, and then b cross a, plus next minus 2b into minus 2b becomes what? Minus 4 b cross b. Okay. So one more thing I would like to remember you that in the vectors, in the dot product, like I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. And in the cross product, I cross I 0, j cross j 0, k cross k 0. Starting part 1 I explained about this introduction. Similarly, a cross a 0, b cross b 0. So this will becomes what? 0. So 1 by 2 into modulus 0 plus 2 into a cross b. See here, this is b cross a. So that's why I'm writing this is minus b cross a becomes what? 6 into plus a cross b. If you change the direction, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. In only cross product. But in dot products, there is no change. A dot b equal to b dot a you can write. But in cross product, minus of b cross a becomes plus of a cross b. Or minus of a cross b becomes plus of b cross a. But in dot product, a cross b equal to b cross, a dot b equal to b dot b. Or b dot a equal to a dot b. Okay? And a cross a means what? 0. And b cross b means what? 0. So these three conditions we applied in this calculation. Next, minus 4 into something 0. So now here 2 terms are there, here 6 terms are there. Totally 2 a cross b's and here 6 a cross b's. Totally we are getting 8 a cross b terms. Okay. Now 8 constant we can write outside. 8 by 2 modulus a cross b. What do you mean by modulus a cross b? Can we write mod a cross mod b? No, it cannot be written. Okay. As usually we know cos theta formula, that is a dot b by mod a mod b. Similarly, sin theta formula also is there, that is modulus a cross b by mod a mod b. Okay, you should remember these formulas after complete before 2 marks questions or after completion of this or 4 marks question. I will revise all the formulas once again, no problem. Sin theta means mod a cross b by mod a mod b. So nothing means by 1 is there. Do cross product. 1 into mod a cross b is equal to what? Mod a cross b is equal mod a mod b sin theta. What is theta? Theta is angle between a and b. So angle between a and b also is given, no problem. So mod a cross b means what? 4 into mod a mod b sin theta. So which is called 4 into what is mod a? Mod a is 5, mod b is 5. Sin theta means what? 45 degrees. Okay, here I am going to do. Next, 4 into 5 into 5. So which is called 4 into 5 into 5 into sin 45 means what? 1 by root 2. What is the sin 45 value? 1 by root 2. Okay, can we simplify this? Yes. When the denominator is a irrational number, immediately do rationalizing with root 2 into root 2. Okay. So here also we can 5 5 is 25 4 is 100 by root 2 we can write answer, but that is not the final answer. What is the basic conditions? If a denominator is a rational number or irrational, sorry, denominator is a irrational number, immediately do rationalizing. So root 2 into root 2, it becomes 2. So numerator 4 into 5 into 5 into root 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. How much? 2 5 ja, 10 5 ja, 50 into root 2. Units, square units. So this is the area of the triangle of the given question. Is it clear? Okay. Next 13th one. This is very important question. Very important one. This is show that angle in a semicircle is right angle. Obviously, we use this sentence, this statement from 9th class or 8th class onwards we are using. Angle in a semicircle means what? It is a right angle. In multiple choice also it is a small question. But here he is asking how can we prove, we should otherwise prove that what the angle in a semicircle is right angle. What is semicircle? Semicircle means half of the circle. Am I right? So this is a semicircle. What is center? Let center is O. One of the side is A, one of the diameter end point is B. Okay, OA. So take any direction, either this side or that side. If you take this direction, if you take OA is small a, then OB means it becomes minus A. Okay, now opposite direction. Okay, so I'm not writing here. This is also A units, but that is that plus A units or minus A units? So let us think, clarify. Okay. So now what is radius? Radius is R. So angle in a semicircle means in this semicircle take anywhere. So here I am taking some P. You can take here also, or here also, here also, here also. Anywhere you can take. For example, here I am taking. So I am joining this AP and BP. I am joining. Now we should prove that this angle is 90 degrees. Right angle means 90 degrees. So it is a semicircle. In this semicircle, P is an angle. So we should prove that P is a right angle. So how can we prove? Okay. So let BOAP is a semicircle. In a semicircle. Next, let OA is equal to small a. OA equal to small a. Implies OB becomes what? It becomes minus a. Okay, OB. So it is opposite direction. That becomes minus a. Okay, OB is minus a. Next, what is this OP? That is radius, some R. Okay. Do you think the distance OA, some OP or OB are same or not? Yes. Here we get OP equal to, so let OP equal to R. So what is R? R means radius. So then we can say that R equal to A. Am I right? Because of the length from O to A. This is also radius. O to B is also radius. O to B is also radius. So R equal to A. So now take dot product AP into BP. I'm going to find AP dot BP. AP means what? OP minus OA. Dot BP means what? OP minus OB. So OP means what? OP means it is a small r, minus OA means what? It is a small a. Dot OP means what? Small r, minus OB means what? OB means minus a. So minus OB means it becomes plus a. So r minus a dot r plus a, scalar numbers. So these two are scalars, then we can directly multiply. R minus a into r plus a is r square minus a square. What is actually r value also? It becomes a square. So a square minus a square is equal to 0. So we got it AP dot BP equal to 0. If dot product is 0, then we can say that AP and BP are perpendicular. So that implies AP perpendicular to BP. So that implies P is right angle. P is right angle. That's it. So P is right angle means, therefore angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. right angle, hence proved by vector method. This is the solution. This is important question. Just to understand try to understand this. 14th question. If A equal 4i plus 5j minus k, B bar equal to I minus 4j plus 5k, and C bar equal 3i plus j minus k. Find vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, whose magnitude is 21 times the magnitude of C. Okay, this is a routine question. First, second questions, same questions. First question. Okay, we find how to find a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Or unit vector perpendicular to the points PQR, that is plus or minus PQ cross PR by modulus PQ cross PR. If A and B vectors are given, plus or minus A cross B by mod A mod B. Did you get idea? Yes. Okay. In part 3, 4 marks questions. First question, second question, same type of question. So one more question also is there, but small difference is there asked unit vector, and third question also we did root 6 units unit vector like that. So same type, but here we have to find perpendicular to both A and B, but not unit. That unit is 21 times magnitude of C. So we should find 21 times magnitude of C first of all. 21 times magnitude of C. So how can we find magnitude of C? First, given that A bar equal 4i plus 5j minus k, B bar equal I minus 4j plus 5k, and C bar equal 3i plus j minus k. Okay, are you clarify your doubt? No. See once again, we should find the perpendicular vector both A and B. Generally unit vector means we can simply plus or minus A cross B by mod A mod B. But he is not asking unit. Instead of unit, he is asking 21 times magnitude of C. So first we said we should see what is 21 times magnitude of C. So 21 times magnitude of C. Magnitude of C is 21 into magnitude of C means modulus C, that is 3i plus j minus k. So it is called 21 into root of 3 square means 9, 1 j coefficient 1 square, sorry here 3 square we have to write, 3 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square, which is called 21 into root of 3 square means 9, 1, 11. So 21 root 11 we are getting. Okay. Now, so therefore 21 times magnitude of C, 21 times modulus C of modulus C perpendicular to A and B is plus or minus 21 times modulus C. So 21 times magnitude C what? 21 root 11 into both A and B. So A cross B by mod A mod B. Okay, find this, then we can get the answer. Is it clear? We did another question also, root 6 times magnitude, root 6 magnitude times of A and B. That we wrote root 6 into A cross B by mod A cross mod A mod B, like that. So what is A cross B? How can we find? We don't have A cross B. So let us find first of all A cross B. Okay, I will write this sentence later, no problem. Same sentence I will write, because of I don't know what is A cross B. So first I am going to find what is A cross B. A cross B means we can find I, J, K, and A 4, 5 minus 1, B 1 minus 4, 5. So find this. So which is equal I into minus J into plus K into, what is I into 5 minus 1 minus 4 5, J into 4 minus 1 1 5. Okay, next K 4 5 1 minus 4. Simplify this. I into 5 into 5 25 minus 4 into minus 1 4 only, minus J into 4 into 5 20 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next plus K into 4 4 minus 16 minus 1 into 5 5. So completely we are getting I into 21 minus J into minus into minus plus 20 plus 1 21 plus k into minus 21. What is common in all terms? We can take 21 is a common, then I minus j minus k is remaining. So this is what? A cross B. This is A cross B. So 21 into I minus j minus k is A cross B. Okay? We got A cross B. By mod A cross B also is there. So therefore, mod A cross B means what? Modulus 21 into I minus j minus k is equal 21 into root, because of 21 is a scalar, I coefficient 1 square, j coefficient minus 1 square, k coefficient minus 1 square is equal 21 into 1 square 1 square 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal 21 root 3. Okay, so we got all terms required, all required values we got it. Now write the condition. Therefore 21 times magnitude of C means modulus C bar, and perpendicular to A and B is 21 times magnitude C means what? 21 root 11. 21 root 11 into, otherwise, okay, plus or minus 21 root 11 into modulus A cross B, sorry, A cross B by modulus A cross B. So which is called plus or minus 21 into root 11 into A cross B means what? How much? A cross B means 21 into I minus j minus k by mod A cross B means what? 21 into root 3. So 21 21 cancel. Okay, again denominator is there root 3. So rationalizing with root 3. What we get is equal plus or minus 21 root 11 so is equal plus or minus 21 root 11 into I minus j minus k by root 3 is remaining. So rationalizing with root 3. So immediately root 3 by root 3 multiply and divide. So which is called root 3 into root 3 3. So plus or minus 21 root 11 into root 3 into I minus j minus k. So 3 7 ja. So which is called plus or minus 7 root 11 into root 3 how much? Root 33 into I minus j minus k is the answer. Okay, just understand the question. Concept is same old concept, means first question, second question, third question concept only. Okay, in this way we can find the solution. See the next problem. Next, in this 15th question, let A, B, C be non-coplanar vectors and A box A plus 2B, 2B plus C, 5C plus A is equal lambda into box A, B, C. Then find lambda. Okay, the simple problem, just determinant solve, and that's it. So first given that, what is the given? Box A plus 2B, 2B plus C, 5C plus A is equal lambda into box A, B, C. Okay, so how can we do this one? Determinant. First A term 1, B coefficient 2. In this C coefficient is not available, so write 0. Next, from second vector, in this A coefficient is not available, 0. If it is present, write what is that? If it is not there, write 0. And B coefficient 2 and C coefficient 1. Next, in the third vector, A coefficient is 1, B coefficient nothing, 0, C coefficient is 5. And into box A, B, C, we should write. Compulsory we should write. If it is in terms of IJK, no need to write box IJK. Because of box IJK is always 1. But box ABC, we can't say, right, as it is equal lambda into box ABC. So now both side box ABC gets cancelled. Now simplify this one and is equal lambda as it is continue, you will get lambda value. Got it? See once 1 into we get 10 minus 0 10 minus 2 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into something we get 0. So we get minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 1 into 10 10, 10 plus 2 12, lambda equal 12 is the answer. Got it? Similarly, I will give one more question, same type of question. Okay, see once 2a minus b plus 3c, 2a minus b plus 3c. Next a plus b minus 2c, a plus b minus 2c, and a plus b minus 3c, a plus b minus 3c is equal lambda into box ABC. Find lambda. Same type of question. Same usually. Determine 2 minus 1 3, 1 1 minus 2, 1 1 minus 3. In this into box ABC is equal lambda into box ABC. Box ABC cancel. You will get lambda value same process. Okay. In this way we have many problems in this product of vectors, but most probably instead of all problems in the textbook, we just learning only necessary problems, important and most important, and some other problems also we are learning. So I'm saying that these problems are enough for examination preparation. If you have time after completion of our classes, my videos, my classes especially, you just open the textbook, give priority for 2 marks questions which are not I taught in our classes, those practice. Next after that, if you have again time, so do the remaining 4 marks and 7 marks problems, because of in textbook we have a lot of problems. So if you try to solve all problems, you may not get time to reach our examinations. Okay, so that's why I'm saying after completion of our classes, open the previous papers, practice them. After completion of previous papers means board exam papers, at least to do 8 papers. Okay, supplementary and regular, March exam paper and July exam paper, like that. At least do 7 or 8 question papers, and then after completion of see what are the 2 marks are more required, solve them. So in this way you can easily get 75 out of 75. Okay, one more question also would like to give. 15, 16, 17 for your practice I am giving, that is a bar equal to 1 1 minus 6 1 minus 1 6, and vector b bar is equal to 1 minus 3 4 1 minus 3 4, and vector c bar equal to 2 minus 5 3. Then compute first one, a dot b cross c, and second one a cross b cross c. Okay, in this way, in different way they can ask the questions. So here a means it's not a point, it is a vector. So a means what? Is a vector 1i minus 1j minus 6k. Am I right? Similarly b means what? 1i minus 3j plus 4k. C means what? 2i minus 5j plus 3k. Okay, these are the ABC vectors. Actually, we can think those are the points. When it mentioned in capital A equal, capital B equal, capital C equal, at that time we should write to capital OA, position vector of A, means capital OA is equal so and so. If capital B is given, then write to position vector of capital B, OB equal so and so. Okay, we did many problems, so in that points are given, converted position vector and done the problems. But here small a, small b, small c means vector is given directly, find out this. Okay, got it? And more some more 2 points other than these problems that we should know. What we have discussed till now in these 4 marks questions, both part 3 and in this part 4, we discussed very important 4 marks questions. Almost all we covered, so those are enough. Oddly 17 questions we completed, those are enough for, because of 15th question in the question paper. First, second, third up to 10 very short questions, 11th 12th from matrices, 13th 14th from additional vectors, 15th question from product of vectors. So for this 15th question we practiced these 17 questions. Okay, some more important what we have discussed. First, unit vector perpendicular to both small a and small b is a cross plus or minus a cross b by modulus a cross b, first formula. Otherwise, unit vector perpendicular to the points capital A, capital P, capital Q, capital R is plus or minus PQ cross PR by modulus PQ cross PR. That is the first formula, that is very important. Next, area of triangle, half modulus AB cross BC. Next, area of parallelogram, adjacent sides are given, then modulus A cross B. Diagonals are given, then half into modulus A cross B. Next, volume of tetrahedron, volume of parallelepiped. What is volume of tetrahedron? 1 by 6 into modulus box AB, AC, AD. Points are given. The vectors are given 1 by 6 modulus small a, small b, small c. Next, similarly, volume of parallelepiped. Okay, what is volume of parallelepiped? Only box AB, AC, AD modulus or modulus box small a, small b, small c. So those formulas we discussed. Other than those formulas, what is angle formula? If angle between A and B is theta, then cos theta equal A dot B by mod A mod B. Next, similarly, sin theta equal to formula also we have written A cross B by mod A mod B. This is also being required. Next, the last point is generally till now we did not use. So one small concept. Actually, we are finding always sometimes a box ABC. Box ABC means this is the nothing but A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C. So this is nothing but box ABC. This is nothing but box ABC. Means for example here one question is asked you find A dot B cross C. So of course we can find first B cross C. After getting B cross C we can do dot product with A. That is the one concept. Otherwise directly you can do A dot B cross C means what? Box ABC. So box ABC means what? Determinant of A elements, B elements, C elements and find it. That also we can get. So two ways. And one more point. In this box ABC, if any two vectors are parallel, then box ABC is equal to 0. Then box ABC is equal to 0. When? If any two vectors are parallel, either AB are parallel or BC are parallel, AC parallel. Okay. These are the important points which I remembered you, which I repeat you again. So, these are the 4 marks questions. So, thank you watching our classes. Thank you watching our videos. So, if you not subscribe till now, please do immediately subscribe and click bell button to get more videos. And also share with your friends. Not only intermediate to Maths 1A, Maths 1B videos also available, and Maths 2A classes also available, Maths 2B classes also available. And moreover, if any 10th class students also is there, please send it to them also, because of 10th class also crash courses videos are available. Okay. So thank you. If you have any doubts, you can put in comment box. I will try to give reply.